Hey guys, it's Justine, and today we are unboxing the HP Envy All-in-One, and the box is actually too large to put on the table, so it's right here. A huge thank you to HP and Intel for partnering with me on this video. Let's get into the unboxing. Oh boy, oh boy. This display is huge. It's 31.5 inches, and it is 4K, which is super exciting. Look at that! Hey, can you just like maybe like close? Wow. Okay, the box was huge. This display is huge. It has a built-in speaker. And the thing that I'm most excited to try out is this little bottom mount right here. You guys, it's a wireless charger. Brilliant. Okay, this is still, it's still taking up the whole desk. It's so huge. I'm gonna put it on this little side table and see how that works out while I unbox the rest of these accessories. Oh, I love when batteries are included. Oh, this is nice. I love having a full keyboard. I use the number pad so much more than I ever realized. When I don't have one, I always go. It also has this little tray. I feel like that'd be kind of cool to put your phone or a book. Oh yeah, oh, that's perfect. I love this so much because when I am doing live streams and stuff, I like to actually have the chat on my phone. We've got our mouse, also Bluetooth. I do like that this has batteries. You can also get rechargeable ones if you like, but I do like that this doesn't have any cables. You don't have to charge it. You can use it just like this. No cables, no nothing. This is fantastic. In you go. That's it. I'm doing business. Hey Justine, what are you doing? Business. We've got one more box. Oh, this is a beefy power adapter. It has a memory card reader. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's get this thing set up and talk about some specs. This features 32 gigs of RAM, a 1 terabyte solid state drive, and an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card. It has a 10th gen Intel Core i7 2.9 gigahertz processor that redefines what's possible in a thin and light computer. SSDs with Intel Optane memory deliver the best real-world performance compared to NAND SSDs. It has easy access to the ports, a built-in powerful Bang & Olufsen speaker, and wireless charging. There's a pop-up privacy camera. It's 1920p with an 88-degree wide-angle field of view, and a microphone that is only enabled when it's in use. This display is amazing. It's a 4K 31.5 inch display with wide color gamut HDR, UHD, and anti-reflective coating. Basically, this thing looks incredible. So I've been using this computer for the past couple of days and I absolutely love it. One of the things that I'm most excited about is this pop-up camera. I use this to do video calls. I also used it to do a test stream. Everything all in one, microphone, video. Am I live now? I need to move some stuff around in the background. I tried to hide it all. You guys are seeing it. Hold on a second. What? Oh, that scared me. Now streaming live. We've got our chat here. Everyone's excited and I haven't streamed in a while, so they're probably like, what are you doing? Where are you? This is now going to be a permanent part of our podcast set. We've been looking for a solution to be able to record our audio, have a screen so that we'd be able to see our notes, and a way to bring in audio and video of our guests. So because this is able to be moved around, we have a little desk set up in front of our podcast desk. So I can have this set up at an actual desk when I'm doing work or playing games, and then just pick it up and move it in front of the podcast desk. It's so great because this screen is so huge that we're able to see the screen, see our guest, and I can actually hit record, we can see our notes, and the keyboard and mouse matches the podcast desk. So my sister and I can both search for things while we're talking because this is wireless. So we're able to have no cords or wires, and it looks neat in the video portion of the podcast as well. You can't see it right here because it is off camera, and if you're listening to audio, you can't see it. But I am doing a video of this review for this HP all-in-one computer. It's amazing, and we have it sitting right next to the camera. It's like a huge screen, so when we want to search for something, we've got a little mouse, we got a keyboard.
Yeah, this is great. Although our notes for today, it basically just says podcast episode 12, and then it's completely blank.
Oops.
So we don't have many notes.
There's so many little details that I love about this computer. The fact that I can just, oh, look, my phone's charging. Such a great idea. They really did put a lot of thought into some of the smaller details. Like even this base is like a nice wood finish, and there's some little accents around here to just make it look really pretty. The speakers are incredibly loud. I was very shocked when I first tested it out. Let me find some royalty-free music for you guys so you can get a little demo.
Stuck in my mind.
There isn't much distortion, so it still sounds really good.
But the next thing I knew,
so loud.
I held you in my arms and you asked what we should do. What should we do?
There's nothing I love more than a good royalty-free track. Podcast, episode 13. This is cool because I can share this with my sister, and she'll be able to also make edits and notes so that for the next episode of the podcast, we'll be way more prepared. It's great because the SD card slot is right here on the left, in addition to a headphone port, and there's an easily accessible USB port over here on the right as well. So I'm gonna edit myself a nice photo for Instagram. This was so fun. I wanna go back and edit this. This is a raw image, got a little grain to it. Yeah, that looks cool. Here's one of me and my sister. Oh yeah, that's cool. Here's another one of us. Let me save this so I can post it on Instagram. We also got some really cool drone shots. I mean, this monitor just looks amazing. It's so crisp. What a fun trip. This does have an anti-reflective screen, which is really nice, especially if you're working in places with a lot of sunlight. We have a lot of studio lights in here right now, so you might be able to see a little bit of reflections, but having this on here does get rid of a lot of them. And here's our podcast that we recorded. So it's really great because we're able to just have this off to the side, and I'm able to see everything that's happening. There have been some times when we were recording before that we weren't sure if we were actually recording because I wasn't able to see. So now this monitor is so huge. If we're not recording, I'm gonna know about it.
Interesting.
I like where you would like just set something and then look at this, look at this. I'll put a link in the description where you can check out all of the options for the HP MV32. I do have a spec'd out version, so depending upon where you do get this, the configurations may vary. But this thing has been so amazing. I've been using it for so many different things. Gaming, podcasting, editing photos, and the screen just really does look incredible. If you guys have any other questions about this or anything that I talked about in this video, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Again, a huge thank you to HP and Intel for sponsoring this video. You guys are awesome, and I will see you all in the next video. That was actually shocking. I didn't.